Board of Appeals. I was general counsel for a state agency, and now I'm at a private law firm where I'm the managing partner of the Chicago office, and I sit on the executive committee for the national firm, which has about 700 lawyers and about 18 offices. So I come to this office well prepared both in prosecution, criminal prosecution, civil prosecution, and management. There are two things that it takes to be state's attorney. The first one is that you have to be independent enough to prosecute crime no matter who commits it. And while that is a simple statement, it seems to be very difficult in the past 7 years to accomplish that. The other thing you have to be is transparent. You have to have trust by being transparent of the voters who elect you. And we also haven't had that in the past 7 years. So I have come out with a gun policy, which neither of my opponents have. I have come out with how you actually prosecute a police case. It's difficult, but we cannot cede the power of the Cook County State's Attorney to the feds. I'm a former Fed, and I'm telling you that I know how to prosecute a police case. And we don't have to bring in special prosecutors to cost the taxpayers more money. All you have to do is elect a federal prosecutor to be the state's attorney. What happens is you don't get good prosecutions when the control of the office is outside of the Cook County State's Attorney. And if we all ask ourselves a really tough question, the question is that both of my opponents are controlled by somebody else. I have two political titans out there, and don't moan because we know that that's the case. What changed from August of 2015 to now? Nothing changed. And the Cook County Democratic Party chose to have an open primary when everybody knew at that point about the Laquan McDonald case and they knew about the videotape. Every politician did. The Cook County Board President, her assistant, the mayor, the state's attorney, and everybody else. We, the voters, didn't know about it. And then when that came out in November, still nothing happened, right? No call for a new slating. The call for the new slating came 24 hours after I stood up and said, as a federal prosecutor in the state's attorney's office, I would do three things. I would reform the office, I would go after the guns, and I would go after public corruption. And apparently that scared so many people that they decided that they better change and do an endorsement because I would be their worst nightmare in the state's attorney's office.
Right.
So if you are truly independent, if you believe in the quality of the people that you are supporting and electing, you will endorse me for state's attorney. Thank you.